Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Rocket Mortgage investor products for multifamily financing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Rocket Mortgage investor products for multifamily financing, start by visiting the Rocket Mortgage website. Create your account if you don't already have one. Log in using your credentials once your account is set up. Navigate to the Investor Products section on the homepage. Review the options available specifically for multifamily financing. Select the product that best meets your investment needs. Click on the Apply Now button to begin the application process. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. Provide financial information, including your income, assets, and existing liabilities. Upload any necessary documentation, such as tax returns and bank statements. Indicate the type of multifamily property you are interested in financing. Specify the loan amount you seek and your financial goals. Review the terms and conditions associated with the selected investor product. Submit your application for review. Wait for confirmation that your application has been received. Keep an eye on your email for updates on your application status. Once approved, you will receive further instructions on how to proceed. Finalize any remaining documentation as requested by Rocket Mortgage. After all documents are confirmed, you will receive your loan details. Schedule a consultation with a Rocket Mortgage representative if you have questions. Begin your investment journey with confidence and clarity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.